Alright, everyone, I hope everybody's having a wonderful day. I just going out on a little ride. I'm gonna head back to the house now, and I wanted to let everybody know I do got a bunch of plans for the build of this bike. It's I've already ordered quite a few things for it. One thing I'm indecisive on at the moment is the brand of risers, and I'm not a brand loyalist, I guess is how you say it. Really what I'm looking for is the best value for the money. And whether the risers cost me $200 or $600, I'll save up and spend whatever it is to get the right stuff. So I'm not so much worried about that. What I am interested in is value for the dollar. And you know, when I think about which risers I want to run, I've been looking around a lot, and I've found some that a lot of people run, and maybe they're a great riser. I'm just not quite particularly sold on them yet. I've also looked at risers that I actually found some that I had personally never heard of, because I've never been into risers and T-bars and all that. I've had apes and I've changed bars before, but nothing in the style that I'm going with now. But you know, if you guys and gals out there know which risers are the best for the value, and they have a good style, please post a link or post a comment down below, and I'll definitely go look them out. Again, I'm not a person that's brand loyalist. What I'm really looking for, again, is value on the dollar. I don't mind spending the money, but I do want a good value, and I don't want to spend just extra money just for a name. If I'm going to spend extra money, I would like there to be a reason that I can justify in my head why I'm going to go spend extra money on it. And if that's because of quality, dependability, reliability of it, then that helps me right there. So I know there's some good brands out there. I know some that are popular, and if they are the ones that I should go with, then I might end up doing that. If there's a different one out there that I should go with, or some that you guys like, please again put your comments below and let me know. I would appreciate it. This traffic over here in Tallahassee is very, very busy. So gotta pay attention. Yeah, lots and lots of traffic, even on the back roads, especially this time of day. So anyway, I'm gonna shut up for just a minute and just I'm headed back toward the house. I'll just do a little bit of footage right here, and I'll throw a little bit of music on, and y'all can kind of watch as I'm riding some of the little back roads here towards the house. So hope you enjoy. I'll try to play something fun.
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare.
Hey, something else, everyone. If y'all would please like and subscribe, watch the videos and share them also. It would be helpful for the channel. I'm not sponsored by anyone, so everything that I put on the channel, I pay for it 100% out of my pocket, and I'm not monetized by YouTube or anything else. So just trying to build the channel, and so right now everything you see on the channel I spend my wife and my money on it. So if y'all can like and share and subscribe and comment, you know, if there's things that you'd want to see me do, I definitely don't mind that. I do have a vision for this bike in my head, how I would like to get it, but it's going to take me a little bit. I could do it in a couple weeks if I wanted to, but you know, I want to do it and be able to still make content about the build of the motorcycle, and take my time with it, make sure I do it right, and spend the money that I need to in the right areas to get a big bump, a high quality build on the bike. So anyway, again, if you would please like, share, subscribe, and I appreciate it, everyone. I hope everyone has a blessed day, and we're out.